Alright, this is Casey, back with you with 5 tons with guns. Today, Friday, the 30th of October. Yesterday, we told you that today we were going to do 21 pounds of wraps. Well, that was a mistake. It's 21 pounds of copper. So, we were coming out of a brass mode, and that's why I said brass and not copper. Now, instead of doing the copper today, let's do a little commercial here. Not a commercial, but just we're going to take a little break, and before we go into the copper, I'd like to talk to you about your crucibles, your plinths, and such. Now, we today would have been our 12th pour going into copper, not knowing what we're doing with copper. But we can probably make 6 pours and get better and better all the time. But today I'd like to talk to you about crucibles. This crucible, we've probably got 30 pours on it. And you can see that, we got some build up. We can't even use the pour spout any longer. And pretty grousty looking. I haven't taken very good care of it. It's stuck to the plinth a few times. We've lost the graphite clay material off of that. That's not glazed yet. So before we go into copper, we're going to fire this thing up and get it good and red hot, and use this tool to scrape it out. And I have neglected this poor crucible. David Gingery, in his book, will tell you that a graphite clay crucible, you can get up to 50 or 60 pours, I believe. Well, we're like around 30. Now I'm going to use a fire brick out of a kiln when I clean this crucible up. Seems like with the higher heat, with the copper and brass mixtures, the bullet jacket stuff, why I'm going through plinths quite more often than I have been when I was doing aluminum. Now, we're going to fire this up today, and that's what we're going to do today. I want to show you and compare a crucible that's been fired 30 times perhaps. I want to compare one of this with a brand new crucible. Here's what you have when you get them. Graphite clay. They hold up good. You've seen me rattling them around, dumping them out. But what we're going to do today, we're going to get ready for tomorrow. First, we're going into copper. And we're going to get this thing fired up, cleaned out, scraped out, and get ready for tomorrow. That's the commercial. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.